Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1.3 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So first of all, we will have to open the settings because we will customize this mode, and then I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So let's begin with opening the settings as I said, and here let's tap on the display. Now we have to scroll down, tap on advanced, and again scroll down to actually very bottom in order to find the night light. Let's tap on it, and as you can see we have to turn it on right now in order to customize it. So let's tap on it, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So as you can see here, you can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left you can make it much cooler, and to the right much warmer. So it's really up to you which option is the most comfortable for you. What's more, you can schedule that feature. Let's tap on it, and first of all you can pick the custom time, so you will be able to manually set the start and end time, or you can pick it from sunset to sunrise, so your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise is. So I will pick the custom time, for example, and as you can see, after tapping on the start time, the clock will appear, and here you can pick the start time. So let me pick, for example, 4 o'clock. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see the screen automatically turns yellowish, and it is because we are right now between the start time and end time. Obviously you can change the end time the same way, but let me turn off the schedule option. And actually this is the whole customization. Unfortunately we do not have any additional options, so if you'd like to have much faster access to this feature after this customization, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar, and here in this panel we have to find the night light icon, and as you can see it is not visible right here, but no worries, we have to just tap on this edit icon in the left corner and find the night light here. If you'd like, of course you can always use the edit icon and find it here, but if you'd like to add it to this panel, just tap on it and hold it and simply move it right here, let's say. Okay, we can go back and let's check, and as you can see it appears on this panel right here. So of course you can turn it off just by tapping on it, and the screen will get back to its normal state, or tap on it again to turn on the night light. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in your SONY Xperia 1.3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.